We're looking at a postcard album, probably that dates from the 30s or the 40s, that Lilian Bailey Adams made on her visit to Athens in Greece. And what she has done on this trip is to collect postcards like this that are all loose and are inserted into these sort of pseudo mats like so. And she has collected very nice real photo cards. The majority of these are real photos. And like that one right there with those men standing there. And there's one there. Yeah, or they're nice rotogravure. That's a real photo. This is real photo. These are real photos. Some of the statuary. And here we have real photo cards of well, it could be, I'm not sure, the Olympics perhaps. A national Greek dance. These are all real photo cards. There's some antiquities, of course, the ubiquitous, the head. That's probably from Minerva or something. I should know it. I've seen it before, but off the top of my head, I'm not sure which goddess that is. And here are, well, the temple that looks to be the Acropolis, I would say. Okay. I don't claim to be an expert in Greek antiquities, but I believe that would probably be a reasonable guess. And yes, okay, there they are. I'll show you just all of the images, and we're just going to sell it as an album of postcards relating to Athens that was formed by somebody. The more I look at this, I'd say more like 40s or, well, it's hard to know. These types of postcards were produced for so many years. It could even be into the 50s, but at any rate, this is as we acquired it, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.